What's up guys, it's Jordan Crypt here from Coin Bureau Trading, and today we're getting into some advanced market cipher. We're going to be looking at understanding VWAP curves so you can catch perfect price reversals and understand the strength of the reversal according to the curve. This is advanced, so please make sure that you have watched the other market cipher tutorials, including the setup video, the intro to market cipher, and the divergence and trigger wave strategy videos. I have put them all in a playlist and that link is in the description. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's get into it. Most of you should be fairly familiar with the way that the market cipher indicator looks if you have watched the previous tutorials. Today, we're going to be focusing on this yellow section of the indicator. This is your VWAP, also known on this indicator as your fast wave trend. It is a very powerful algorithm using your volume weighted average price. You don't need to understand the maths behind this, but you do need to understand the nuances when it comes to using it so that you are finding your best reversals and best entries. It is one of 3 levels of confluence in the trigger wave and divergence strategies, but it's important to also understand the fine details when it comes to this level of confluence. And what we're going to be speaking about today is the shape of the VWAP curve. The first thing to understand about VWAP is that we're looking for when the VWAP crosses over the 0 line. That is when we get our price reversals. And that is the purpose of this facet of this indicator. You can see directly on the charts that whenever the VWAP does cross, that is when price tends to reverse. We're going to be going into a little bit more detail today, and this is really where you can move from being a beginner or an intermediate trader into being a professional trader. So, in basic terms, the important thing to understand here is the curve of this VWAP and the shape of that curve. We can see that on this cross, the VWAP's curve was pointing towards the 0 line. And that's the important thing to understand. Let me draw this out for you on a blank piece of chart. If we're looking for a reversal for a long trade, and this is our 0 line, we're wanting our VWAP to be curving towards that 0 line or the cross. If the VWAP is coming up to the 0 line, but it is curving away from it, this is a sign of a much weaker reversal. A lot of people get confused here, but it's actually quite simple. If the VWAP curve is pointing towards the direction of the 0 line, that's your stronger reversal. If the VWAP curve is pointing away from the 0 line, but still going to cross, that is your weaker reversal. And the same thing with shorts. If your VWAP curve is pointing down towards the 0 line, you're looking at a stronger reversal. If the curve is pointing away from that line but still going to cross, you're looking at a weaker reversal. It's always best to start understanding these strategies on the higher timeframes, so let's look at some examples of strong and weak reversals on this daily timeframe. First, let's look at a long trade with a strong VWAP curve and a nice reversal. Here on the 28th of September 2025, we can see that we got a nice trigger wave green dot at the 45 line. Please watch the trigger wave tutorial to understand why this is so important. And here we can clearly see that the VWAP was curving towards the 0 line. Money flow was also pointing up, which is our 3rd level of confluence, and price reflected a very nice reversal of 15% up on spot, and we knew this was going to be a strong reversal and a strong trade because of the VWAP curve shape. Another strong example here was just before the 10th of October dip. We did get our bearish divergence and our VWAP crossing down with our money flow pointing down. This was an awesome signal that allowed a lot of market cipher traders to get into that massive liquidation dump and actually make money when most people were losing. And we can see something very interesting happened on the VWAP. At first, it looked like the VWAP was starting to curve away from the line, but then when it got towards its cross, we saw that the VWAP started curving directly downwards towards the line, indicating a strong reversal. And according to the divergence strategy, once that VWAP did cross, we waited for the money flow to start pointing down. And once that happened, we received our beautiful trade of around 18% down on spot. Let's now have a look at an example of a weaker curve which gave a weaker reversal. Here on the 8th of November 2025, we received a green dot trigger wave below the 45 line and our VWAP crossed, but our money flow was coming down. This was the first sign for us that this is not an ideal trigger wave and not really a very profitable trade to take. The other sign that this was a weak reversal was the shape of the VWAP. Here we can see that the VWAP curve was curving away from the zero line. And that sign, along with money flow pointing down, were very nice warning signs of a smaller reversal than we would like to see on these higher time frames. Here is another example of a weaker reversal on the higher time frame where we did receive a bearish divergence. Money flow was pointing downwards at the time, but the VWAP was curving away from the zero line as it crossed. And here we can see at that reversal there was a lot of volatility with some drawdown and not a very strong reversal. If you spend some time studying the charts and looking for VWAP crosses, you will find where the curve is pointing away from the line, you get your small reversals, and where your curve is pointing towards the line, you get your much stronger reversals. And of course, you need to be using this VWAP in confluence with your money flow and your wave trend, or your trigger wave and your divergence strategies. Let's now look at some practical trade examples on the higher and lower timeframes. Here in August of 2025, we saw a red trigger wave dot print around the 45 line. We saw that our money flow was coming down and our VWAP did cross. If we open up our VWAP and look at the shape of the curve, I hope you can all clearly see that it is curving towards the zero line. This is a sign of a nice strong reversal, and from that trigger wave dot, we managed to reach a price target of around 10% with no drawdown. Please do practice these strategies on higher timeframes first, but for those traders who are at a higher level on the Market Cipher, here is an example on the 1 hour timeframe where we can see a nice green dot trigger wave printed far down below the 45 line. Our money flow was turning around and our VWAP crossed. But if we look a little bit closer, we can see that the curve of the VWAP was curving away from the zero line at the cross. And this was some nice insight for us that this was a bit of a weaker reversal. Here on this same time frame, just a little bit further forward in time, we can see another green trigger wave print below the 45 line, money flow turning around and VWAP crossing, but our VWAP had a nice curve towards the zero line. And in this case, we got a much nicer long trade. Very important to make sure you've watched all the tutorials, and please be sure to practice and backtest these strategies on demo trading before you move into using real capital, and start with the higher timeframes first before you move into the noisier, higher risk, lower timeframes.